Hello everyone, I'm Yazan Ibrahim, or as some of you might know me, Yazan Abu Ghosh. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating and essential topic from Chapter 4. Part A, Information Systems Operations. 4.8, Problem and Incident Management. If you are a seasoned auditor, or just curious to understand how information systems into business environments, you've come to the right place. Let's begin. Unraveling Problem and Incident Management, a vital framework for IT and beyond. Let's imagine a bustling organization humming with the complexity of modern technology. Computers, networks, applications, and data flow seamlessly, or so it seems. Behind the scenes, this ecosystem depends heavily on something crucial: effective problem and incident management. Without it, even a minor glitch can snowball, disrupting operations and impacting productivity. But what exactly are problem and incident management, and how do they work together to ensure an organization runs smoothly? Let's dive deeper. The significance of computer resources. Just like electricity powers buildings, computer resources fuel the backbone of businesses. These aren't limited to laptops on desks or servers in data centers. They include hardware, software, telecommunications systems, networks, and all the invaluable data that keeps things moving forward. Since these resources are shared across teams and departments, they need to be managed with precision to benefit the entire organization. This management involves defining and enforcing controls, general controls to be specific, that govern their proper use. And with today's businesses relying so deeply on computers and networks, any errors, inefficiencies, or disruptions in these systems can have far-reaching consequences. That's where our two main actors step into the spotlight: problem management and incident management. Though they are related, their roles and goals are distinct yet complementary. What is problem management? Digging into root causes. Imagine a detective walking into a room full of scattered clues, piecing them together methodically to solve a case. That's exactly what problem management does for an organization's IT ecosystem. Its mission? To investigate deeper issues in technology systems, those hidden cracks in the foundation, and fix them before they wreak havoc. Problem management typically focuses on 1. Pinpointing the root cause of an issue or recurring issues. Whether it's an isolated major incident or several smaller problems that connect like pieces of a puzzle, the aim is always the same: to identify the underlying issue. 2. Using structured root cause analysis methods. Common techniques include fishbone Ishikawa diagrams that visualize cause and effect relationships, the 5 whys method, which asks why repeatedly to drill into the heart of a problem, brainstorming sessions where diverse perspectives converge to uncover root causes. Once the root cause is uncovered, the problem transitions into what we call a known error. Here's how the gears start turning. This known error is added to a specialized repository called the Known Error Database, KEDB, which acts like a library of past lessons learned. Next, teams build a workaround, a quick remedy to address these known errors. Such remedies ensure that if similar problems arise again, the organization knows exactly how to handle them without delay. The ultimate objective of problem management. Overarching all this is one clear goal: preventing incidents before they occur. Fewer incidents mean smoother organizational operations and higher quality service delivery. Effective problem management is proactive, and its long-term impact can transform how organizations handle challenges. Incident management, the frontline responder. If problem management is proactive, incident management is the fast action hero, rushing to restore order when things go wrong. Picture this: it's a regular workday until a server crashes, bringing critical business functions to a grinding halt. Panic sets in, email systems go dark, communication stops, and deadlines are at risk. This is where incident management enters the picture, aiming to restore normalcy as quickly as possible. The incident management process. Any event disrupting an organization's services qualifies as an incident, and incidents are handled through a streamlined step-by-step process to ensure continuity. Let's break it down. 1. Initiation and classification. The first step is to classify the incident based on its nature. Is it a minor hiccup, like a desktop login issue, or a major disruption, like a system-wide failure? 2. Assignment. Incidents are assigned to specialists who are equipped to handle specific issues. 3. Prioritization. Teams must prioritize incidents based on both urgency and impact. For example, if the Chief Information Officer, CIO, has a minor printer issue at the same time as a server failure in a core system, you know where priorities lie. 4. Resolution and closure. Incidents are resolved to restore services as quickly as possible, but the process doesn't end there. Proper documentation ensures lessons are learned, and any associated problem can later undergo further exploration in problem management. Incident management has one key aim: to minimize disruption and restore operations to normal by adhering to service level agreements, SLAs, detection, documentation, and escalation. Now let's address something slightly more technical but equally vital. Detection and documentation are the backbones of managing abnormalities in IT systems. A well-organized error log system ensures that every occurrence, be it an application error, network issue, or even operator mistakes, is recorded in detail. These log details often include error codes and descriptions, timelines, escalation dates, and a record of who resolved the issue. This isn't just housekeeping, it's a way to create accountability and visibility. Updates to logs should be restricted to authorized personnel, ensuring that errors are resolved efficiently while maintaining internal controls. Unresolved incidents, on the other hand, must not linger. Escalation procedures need to be well documented and adhered to, ensuring no problem remains overlooked. The role of the help desk, the central hub of support. In many organizations, the help desk serves as the first and sometimes only point of contact for users facing IT challenges. From troubleshooting login issues to addressing critical telecommunication disruptions, the help desk bridges the gap between the user and IT solutions. Their tasks often involve answering end-user queries, triaging issues to determine their complexity, escalating problems when necessary, and ensuring each incident is documented and resolved based on defined priorities. But being reactive isn't enough. Modern help desks analyze patterns in incoming calls, spotting trends to suggest systemic fixes that prevent future incidents. Network management tools, the power behind proactive monitoring. To keep the IT ecosystem running effectively, organizations rely on a suite of network management tools. These tools act like the sensors and dashboards in an aircraft cockpit, offering real-time data, alerts, and system statuses. Among the key tools, response time reports, measuring how quickly systems respond to user commands. Slow response times can discourage users from fully utilizing IS resources and should be investigated for bottlenecks. Downtime reports, tracking system outages due to reasons like power failure or traffic overload. Excessive downtime can point to underlying infrastructure issues that need immediate fixes. Other tools like protocol analyzers or simple network management protocols, SNMP, dive even deeper into the network, diagnosing errors, measuring bandwidth usage, or spotting potential bottlenecks before they become an issue. Streamlining problem management reporting. Finally, reporting plays a pivotal role in ensuring both problem and incident management processes run smoothly. Regular reviews of logs, help desk call records, and unresolved problem histories help IT managers identify trends in recurring issues. By using this data, organizations can take proactive steps, whether it's investing in preventative tools, training employees, or developing better escalation procedures. The end goal, seamless IT service delivery. At the end of the day, problem and incident management lay the foundation for seamless operations. By addressing immediate disruptions through incident management and preventing long-term issues via problem management, organizations can create systems that aren't just reliable but resilient. This isn't just about fixing technical issues, it's about empowering businesses to thrive in an ever-changing digital landscape. When done right, it's a framework that doesn't just react to problems, it anticipates them, ensuring systems work like a well-oiled machine. Thank you for watching, and as always, continue learning. Stay curious, and we'll see you next video.